Who's that box? I didn't order anything.
Oh, that's Daddy.
Daddy?
Yeah, Daddy.
Let's see. Can I check that box?
Look, what's inside?
Is it heavy?
Yeah, heavy.
Let's see.
Yeah, see what?
Huh?
I wonder what's inside. This is my jewelry.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I wonder what's inside. Mommy.
Do you like the smoothie?
Wanna try?
Let's see. Gumawa ng smoothie si Shelton, guys. Hindi ko alam kung masarap pa to. What is this?
Banana smoothie. You're missing out.
It's good. It's okay. But I'm not fan of it. What you eating, Sam?
Chicken. Mommy.
Chicken wing.
Mommy. Mommy.
You like it? Oh, I know.
Open it, Mom.
He wants me to open this box. I don't really know what is this.
I wonder what's inside, guys.
Let's see. Say hi, guys.
The box.
Say hi, guys, first.
Hold on. Look at the box.
Okay. Leave it there. Ah, leave it there. This is Daddy. This is Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Daddy. But we don't know what is this inside.
I think it's only mine.
Don't cover the camera.
Wow.
Whoa, what is this?
I think it's a Daddy's chocolate.
Oh, this is...
The
Oh, me and
one.
Daddy. It's toothbrush. I did not know that he ordered this, guys. Toothbrush for me and Daddy.
Wow.
This is for Daddy.
Oh, look, it's mine.
This is for Daddy.
Wow, nice. Whoa.
Why so much? Ow!
This is Daddy.
Yeah, he threw stuff at me.
No! It's done now.
Toothbrush and toothpaste and cords.
What is this? This is old Daddy. This is not mine. This is not mine. This is not mine.
This is mine.
I don't know what is this.
I wonder what's inside.
He said, I wonder what's inside.
You wonder what's inside?
Look. Ow! Wow! Oh, nice.
They're old Daddies.
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah, they're old Daddies.
Let's see what's inside.
It's good, yeah,
It's old Daddy. This one, I don't really know.
Jackson.
They're old Daddies.
Open
It's old Daddies.
this.
Oh, that's Daddies, you know.
Mommy, what's in this?
It's this one. This Daddies too.
What is that?
This is not.
Like what's inside?
Oh my God. No, it's this Daddy. This is Daddy's. Look.
Oh, wow.
Oh, he wants me. Oh, you can't. This is Daddy. I don't know what is this.
Wow. Mommy, open this.
No, you can't. That's toothbrush. Okay, this is it. You already know what inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe what's
Okay, this is Daddy's. We can't have this. This is for me and Daddy.
in
The Oral-B. Okay, that's enough.
Mommy, open this.
We can't open this one.
No.
Okay, we open this one later. Okay? Okay? I love you. He wants me to open this, guys. Toothbrush lang naman to. What? Wow. What? Toothbrush. See? This is Daddy, the black one, and this is Mommy, the white one. Look. Is the charger. See? Dahil sira na kasi yung amin dati, guys.
Mom,
It's been like
Mom,
5 years. Ayaw niya na mag-charge. Like that. That's Mommy and Daddy. Look. This one, black, is for Daddy.
That's your daddy.
Black is for Daddy.
I wonder
Kulit niya. Kaya binuksan ko na lang guys kasi umiyak na siya.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, nice.
Nice.
The one is
Yan. Yan. Where is mommy? White is for mommy. Where is mommy's thingy? Nothing? It's only one? Oh, this is mine. White.
What one is?
Okay.
The one is mine.
It's done now.
Yeah, it's done.
Yan guys. So, one for me and one for Upaw. Yan. Oral B. You have to turn it off. So, this is our charger. Both of our charger is here.
It's loud.
Huh?
It's loud.
It's loud. Turn it off. It's gonna get low bat. It's going to get low bat, so you're okay.
Mom.
Turn it off. Yeah.
I'm going to the outside.
Okay, you bring it outside. How about this one? Bring it upstairs too.
Mom,
Put it in our bathroom. Okay, come on. Put it in under the like that, and then other side too. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sawyer.
Mommy. Mom's scary in the bathroom.
Daddy is there upstairs. Thank you. Binuksan ko lang talaga guys kasi umiyak na siya. Gusto niya ring makita yung loob kung ano yung nasa loob. So toothbrush lang naman. So ayan, dinala na niya guys sa taas. Ito yung in-order ng asawa ko guys po. So hindi ko siya pwedeng i-open yung mga ganitong boxes. Ayan guys, ang hugasin ko. Linisin ko muna to guys. Hugasan ko muna to. At ilagay sa dishwasher. Dumating na pala guys yung birth certificate nila. Sam at saka ni Shelton nung kumuha kami ng ng requirement, kumuha kami ng passport. Ito yung requirements nila. So dumating na, nauna pa yung passport kaysa sa kanilang birth certificate.
Ay, honey.
I love you too. Naglambing sa akin si Shelton. For the first time. It's been a long time you did do that to me. Like hugging me.
I know.
I want you to clean up your mess. Ayan na naman yung mess nila guys.
That's not my mess. It's Sawyer's.
Even if not yours, you can't clean it up.
If somebody dies, they'll clean their body up.
Look, that's different, Shelton. No, do not open that one. Can you tell Samantha about the backpack of Cambry there, Shelton?
Mom,
Check that out.
Mommy, next.
Does not belong in there. Next! Not next! Okay, next na daw. No, Daddy's gonna spank you. Wala, do not open that.
Where's Daddy anyways?
Upstairs. Hoy! Kuno open.
Mom.
Wow, kadiharon.
Mommy.
That's not ours. That's Daddy. Daddy will spank you. By the way, guys, he loves to open all the boxes from Amazon. Any boxes na i-deliver dineliver dito, kaya yan siya.
Okay, that's enough, Mom.
Hala, Daddy's gonna break. You're gonna break that. Daddy's gonna get mad. Put it back. Why? Shelton, take away these boxes from him, please. Take away these boxes. Put it upstairs. Hala, he's opening now each of it.
This one?
This one too. No, the big one. The big boxes.
But it's empty. Oh.
The big boxes. That's Daddy.
This one?
Yep. This one, Shelton. Include this one. Shells, include this one. Here. From his hands too. Guys, hinog na ang aking saging. Nagawa siguro ako guys ng binignit. Lagyan ko ng saging, kamote, bilo-bilo, at saka ano, tawag dito, gapi. Mamaya magluluto ako. So, ayan guys, nag-start na ako magpakulo ng may tubig na yan siya, may sugar, may vanilla, at may coconut milk na siya. Hintayin ko lang siyang kumulo, guys, bago ko ilagay ang kamote. Kamote, guys, lagay na natin. Tapos ilagay na natin, guys, ang gabi. Gabi ba to? O ano? Parang ano to siya, guys, hindi siya gabi. Taro pala siya, taro. Pareha lang ba yun, gabi at taro? Search ko muna. Tapos ilagay na natin ito, guys, ang flavored glutinous rice. Glutinous rice. Takpan natin, guys. Nilagyan ko na siya, guys, ng saging. So, hintayin na natin matututo lahat itong mga ingredients. Binignit or tinataang bilo-bilo. So, ito na, guys. Luto na ang ating binignit. Nilagay ko, guys, sa kabilang kaldero dahil hindi talaga siya magkasya sa maliit. So, ayan, guys. So, ngayon, dahil tapos na ako magluto, guys, ng binignit, kailangan ko nang maglinis, guys. Continue ng paglilinis ng lababo sa kitchen. Dahil tulog pa si Sawyer, gagawin ko na to siya, guys, para walang disturbo sa paglilinis ko. Kasi kung gising siya, aakit na naman yan siya sa counter para disturbuhin ako. So, kailangan ko nang mag-start. Tapos na ako guys maghugas ng mga kaldero. At nilagay ko na rin yung mga pinggan sa dishwasher. So, magmamap na ako at magbabacuum na ako guys. At magmamap. Para makapagpahinga na din ako guys.